my channel. This is Soumya and you're watching the Global Tales. So lately I'm getting a lot of requests that I have to share my post and pre-workout routine, like what I eat, pre and post workout meals, what I'm going to show in this video. So I hope you will find it useful. So you all know that I do intermittent fasting, and by 12 or 11:30 I have my first meal. So basically I do my workout only after that as well, because I have to shoot the GET Fit classes and many more things. So up till now I had my black coffee at about 10 o'clock, and now I'm going to have my first meal. That's my kind of breakfast and pre-workout as well, and after 40 minutes I'm going to do the workout. So it's about 11:30 right now, and we are going to have some pre-workout meal. So let's get started. So yes, we are going to prepare my pre-workout meal. So basically this is my pre-workout come breakfast. I make sure that at this particular time I have something that's high in protein and healthy at the very same time. So yes, what we are going to make is a peanut butter banana sandwich, one of my favorite pre-workout meals, or you can say breakfast recipes. So yeah, let me show you what I actually do to make. It's very simple and very easy to make. So it's not a sandwich actually, it's a toast. It's a peanut butter banana toast. So I am taking some toasted bread. On this I'm going to apply this peanut butter. I got it from Desano. It's an unsweetened peanut butter, very crunchy. So I'm going to just apply it and then add some banana on top of it. I'm going to add some bananas on top of it. And yes, my peanut butter toast is ready. Basically I have two of them and it's really very amazing and tasty. So just had my pre-workout meal, and now I'm going to my academy where I'll be shooting some fitness like workout videos and like doing a lot of workout. But yeah, it has about like 40 minutes. So yes, this is my thing. Like I take 40 minutes between my pre-workout meal and the workout that I'm going to do, because I'm doing a long workout. If you're doing a high intensity exercise, I would recommend not having anything and then go for it, because you already have like when you had your dinner last night, you have some fat resources and they are not depleted. So when you work out, they are utilized. But when you are going to do a long exercise, like I'm going to do some dance fitness workout, or I'm going to do some engaging workout for a longer period of time, then I had my pre-workout meal. So this is how I do it. Let's quickly go to my academy and work out. So in my academy, going to shoot some GET Fit class, and then going to wind up, and then I'm going to go home and have my lunch, basically the second meal of my day. So yes, let's quickly get done with the workout and then get home.
There's light in the darkness. You just gotta give your eyes a chance to adapt. Feels like you've lost it. Just give your heart a chance.
So yes, done for the shoot and the workout. So I don't go immediately for shower, or I don't wipe off my face because it can cause rashes. This is a tip for all of you. I just let my sweat. Mummy, awaaz nahi. So yes, I'm back home after the workout session. So yes, I don't quickly go for a shower. I let my sweat cool on its own. The reason being that it can cause rashes if I use any towel or something, or it can cause cold. So I don't immediately go for shower. I take time. Like it's been about 15 to 20 minutes already, and now after 20 minutes I'm going to have my post-workout meal, and that's lunch for me. That is meal 2. And for my lunch today I'm going to have some rice, some curry, the Thai curry, coconut cream vegetables mixed together, a kind of Thai vegetarian version curry. So yes, I'm going to have that with some rice. That's my post-workout meal and also my lunch. So I have it after 40 minutes of my workout, so that I get enough energy also, and because of the maintenance of this particular cycle, I'm able to burn fat as well. So yes, this is how I do it. And tip for you is to don't go for shower quickly after your workout. It can cause rashes, pimples. Just let the sweat cool on its own and dry on its own, and then after that, like 40 minutes after my lunch is done, I am so just after 20 to 25 minutes you can go for the shower. Then I'm going to go for my hair spa at home. So due to lockdown restriction, people are unable to visit spas and salons, and that's what happened with me. So I have tried this spa at home to be a part of my routine. So basically this is a ACV hair range from Mamaearth that I've recently received. It has apple cider vinegar shampoo, apple cider vinegar conditioner, and apple cider vinegar mask. So basically this ACV shampoo is crafted with natural goodness of apple cider vinegar, biotin, glycerin, balances the scalp pH that makes the hair look softer, shinier and bouncier. Along with this, ACV conditioner helps to seal the moisturizer while smoothing out the rough edges. So yes, basically I will firstly apply the mask. The hair mask is really very amazing in smell, that has biotin, and after that I'm going to use the ACV shampoo and then followed by the conditioner. This is an ACV range. You know that I recommend Mamaearth products because of their plant goodness initiative, and I really enjoy the fact that every time you buy from them, they will link your order to the website, to the tree they plant. By 2025 they aim to plant about 1 million trees as a part of their initiative. Also, Mamaearth has launched their own official app both on iOS and Android. Links would be there in my description. And yes, they are toxin free, they are cruelty free products, and yes, definitely you can try out my code to get extra 20% off on mamaearth.in. Also, it's available on Mamaearth, Amazon and Nykaa. Pretty much all about my pre and post workout routine. Not very much I do. I just go for a shower, and then I just go for my work, like the pending work that I have to do for the day. That's it. And yeah, the only thing that I would recommend is that you have to eat properly in order to work out properly. So make sure that you take care of what you're eating. Clean eating is really very important. Along with that, make sure of having good protein intake, having balanced meals, protein, carbs and fats, all balanced in your diet. And yes, you are pretty much done. So yes, take care of yourself, stay fit, stay happy. Do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon along, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy. Bye.